Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make super loaded alasepo okra soup. So come along with me and let's do this together. Before we move on, have you noticed anything change about me? Can you guess? My hair, I've got a low cut. Does it suit me? For our okra soup, alasepo, we'll be using okra, salt, seasoning, prawns, some dry smoked shrimps, red pepper, onions, some, I think there are about two scorch bonnet pepper, ground crayfish, palmoil, spinach, stock from when I cooked all this. They're all cooked. These are assorted beef. I have pomo, beef, goat meat, turkey, fish, smoked chicken, and smoked tilapia. All this will be going into our alasepo. That's why it's going to be super loaded. And what I will do now is just blend this tatase and onion and scotch bonnet. Then we'll move on. My pepper is ready. You can see that it's not smoothly blended, it's roughly blended. The stock water, the stock from the beef and everything I cooked. Stir. At this point I'll be adding my fish, my dried fish and dry shrimps, so that they will have time to cook very well. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. It's time to check. I forgot to tell us that I'll be adding in some lowcost beans, iru, and my ila. I just put it in the blender and I did blend it. If you don't have blender, you can use your hand the local way. You can use your chopping board. You can use food processor. And because I've put my ila in, the okra in, I'm not going to cover it again. If you cover it, it's not going to be very slimy again, and we want it to be slimy. Reduce the heat. Then I will add in all the assorted. I've not added palmoil, and see how red it is. So I'll just be adding a little bit of palmoil. My crayfish powder, the spinach. I just want it for garnishing. You know, if you mostly you can use ugu, but I don't have ugu handy, so I have spinach. It's even frozen spinach, and that's what I'll be using. And if you don't have any, just leave it. Your alasepo will be alasepo. See, super loaded. And our prawns, fresh prawns, will be going in. I've already washed them. Everything is clean. This one I say super loaded the alasepo. You see what I'm talking about. Have you noticed also that I've not added any seasoning because I use the stock from the beef and all the orishi dish that I put in. And whenever I use stock, I make sure that my seasoning comes last. So let me taste for seasoning now. Honestly, I don't need any salt, I don't need any maggi. I'll just leave it like that. It's perfect. So what I'll be doing now is I will just allow it to cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes or 6 minutes until the prawn is done, having it at the back of our mind that we don't want our okra to overcook. So low heat, and for 6 minutes our alasepo is ready. Look at the shrimps, the prawns, the shrimps, turkey, the fish. Oh god, this is so wonderful. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? Subscribe if you have not. I just want to taste for salt and seasoning. This is superb. This is wonderful. The only name that I'll give to this is, it is super awesome. This is how I'm going to serve it. Eba with our alasepo. Oh, so wonderful, very delicious. The tilapia fish. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover a lot, and as you discover, you will enjoy, and you will even enjoy better. Why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, leave your comment in the comment section, subscribe if you have not, and press the notification bell, as this will allow you to get notified anytime I upload new video. Till next time, bye.